No, for real. If you're looking for someone who can change your life, I can be the one who can change your life. If you're looking for someone who can change your life, baby.
What's up, guys? Y'all already know what the deal is. It's your boy, Famous Kid with 2 Eyes. Dottie, back at it again with a brand new YouTube video. You know, y'all, it took me about an hour to freaking start doing this because I thought of videos while I was laying in bed, and I'm like, okay, I'm gonna do this one. I'm probably gonna do like 2 videos in a shirt, so if you see this shirt again, don't mind. Don't mind the lights over there, like, don't mind the lights. Because I'm gonna take this down, but I never took it down, but I like it like this for the video, I guess. So, before we get into this video, make sure you guys subscribe, smash that like button down below, hit the post notifications bell, make sure you hear that ding, pop, make sure the bell shakes. But let's get straight into the video. So, for Christmas and for my birthday, I got like GoPro stuff, and like we're filming, I guess. So first, I'm gonna do Christmas since Christmas passed, and my birthday passed, but whatever. So this right here is a thing that you use like when you're filming. You want to film like on your chest and you don't want to hold it. You use this. So I already opened this stuff. I already used this stuff. You already know. And when I was trying to get the other part of it, I don't know. Hold on, let me look for it one more time. I don't know where it went. Yeah, like I really do not know where the other part of it is. But so it goes on like this. Looks like this. Sometimes you forget that you have it on, cause well, unless it's tight. Cause like this, I can tell I have it on. But like I filmed on this with like roller coasters. If I still have a clip, I will show y'all the clip. I probably don't have a clip. But this is the GoPro right here. I need to find the other piece that goes on it. I know, cause so there's the video coming out soon, y'all. I was supposed to go parasailing for my birthday, but the wind started getting bad, so I couldn't go parasailing. But I was gonna use this and my. I'm not gonna tell y'all, but yeah. So this thing goes on. There's this whatever it's called. It goes on right here. Oh, I think it's downstairs. Hold on, let me go get it. Guys, guess what? I found the piece. So yeah, this is the piece right here. This small little piece makes a difference. So you're supposed to looks like this with these things. I don't know why I have 2. Oh, this one came with the GoPro box and this one came with this one. So I'm supposed to open this up like this, flappity flap, and supposed to put it on like this, I think. It's not even the right one, y'all. It's not even the right one. You know, I'm gonna GoPro box now. Where is this? Where could it have gone? I don't use this thing. Okay, y'all, that is so dumb. Okay, y'all, it's whatever right now because I know I'll find it because I only use it one time. But yeah, with that piece on, it's supposed to go like, right here, and this screw, ooh, it's supposed to attach it on just like this. So yeah, this is what I got for Christmas. So yeah, I can just like be bicycling or on a roller coaster and it'll get great footage with this. I'll probably put like a clip or something like right now or whatever. No. So on to the next item. So this I recently got. It was for my birthday. All GoPro things come in this gray looking boxy, bluey, glossy thing. Oh, thumbnail. Oop, upside down. Thumbnail. thumbnail. So it's so cool because it can do like, it can go into many different parts. So I really like that about that. I already like it about this, like you can go to different parts. So let's just open this bad thing. I already used it. You already know I already used my stuff. So I have 3 of these things. I found another one in here. Okay, so first it looks like this. Comes with the screw thing. Looks like this. Stretches out straight like this. So let me show y'all how it goes on. So you're supposed to put it on like that, and you put the screw through. You're screwed. You already know what the deal is. So I can just be recording like this. I gotta put it like this. I can just be recording like, what's up? What it do? What's good? How you doing? And then you can unscrew it. Take that off. Then this part comes off, so you can unscrew this one. So much you can do with this. I'm getting a headache and I have to record another video. Whoa, it comes off just like that. Now you can put this back on again. Nope, it goes like this. Okay, here it goes, guys. Oh, this thing's gonna break. I did it wrong. Okay, so yeah, here it goes. When I went to Silk City, I vlogged with this and went on a slide with this. So this was really fun, cause I could record whatever I was doing. So this is pretty cool. And then after that, now I always struggle opening this part. Now it can be like a stand. It's a stand. It's a stand. Okay, and also you can unscrew the skin. So the stand stays inside like this when you don't want to use it, but you can unscrew it. Have it like this. Now you're gonna take the GoPro off again. So many different ways. And when I first looked at this, I'm like, how are you gonna put the GoPro on this? Because it showed that you can put the GoPro on it, like on the front box. So I was like, weird. But I went on and I got a good smile. Oh, I forgot I had these rubber bands in. I'm probably not talking as good, but it's whatever. I went on YouTube and saw how to do this. So you just take it out, because I was unscrewing it at first. When you just take it off just like that, it felt like it was gonna break. And it has a little hose right there, so you can put the GoPro like that. Screw it one more again. Hey, screw it one more again. Hey, one more again. Hey, screw it one more again. Right, technical difficulties. I'm not finna screw it all the way on because we don't have time for that. But yes, it's another small stand. It acts like a stick, just like this. This can be, if you're trying to travel with this would be great to travel with, because you can hold it like this, literally, and you can put it down as a stand instead of, if you don't want to, why keep dropping so many things if you don't want to travel with this big old thing? So I prefer this if you're just trying to travel like small and you're trying to put in your purse or a bag, or like camping bag, whatever you have that you carried with you, or put in your pocket. You can even go in your pocket. See, look at that. A stick, a stand, but it cannot, well, if you have long arms, it can capture a lot. But this is what this is for, and this is for. So that is my GoPro etiquettes. That's my GoPro stuff. So I don't like to say this, but y'all, it's the end of the video. I hope y'all like this video. Y'all probably don't care about this video, but I care about this video because some people that have GoPros don't know about GoPros. Don't know about GoPros and the different items that they can buy for this. I don't know how much this was. I think this one was $30. I don't know. A lot of people with GoPros have this one because it's very useful and what's the word? I don't know, helpful, whatever you call it. But I hope y'all like this video. Make sure you guys subscribe. Smash that like button down below. And hit the post notifications bell like right now. Famous Kid out.
If you're looking for someone to change your life,